Students, first exercise before up to 10 problems completed. Now 11th question. Madhuri went to a supermarket. The price changes are as the follows, means given below. So in that the price of rice reduced by 5%, means rice reduced by 5%. Jam and fruits reduced by 8%. Oil and dal increased by 10%. Increase means add. Reduce means subtraction. Means do subtraction. Help Madhuri to find the changed price in the given table. Here item they given rice, jam, apples, oil, dal. For that original price 30 rupees. Changed price means for rice here observe, for price of rice reduced 5%. Reduced 5%. 5% means 5 by 100 into original price 30. Here 0 0 get cancelled. 5 ones, 5 twos. Here 3 by 2. 3 by 2. 3 by 2 means 1.5. 1.5 means 1 rupee 50 paise. 30 minus 1 rupee 50 paise. 30 minus 1.50. 30 rupees minus 1 rupee 50 paise. We get 28.50. Means 28 rupees 50 paise. Changed price. So about original price reduced after she taken rice with 28 rupees 50 paise. Like that. Jam original price 100 rupees. Jam original price 100 rupees. For that changed price. Here jam and fruits reduced 8%. Means 8% amount means 8 by 100 into 100. Original price 100. 100 get cancelled 8. Here reduce means do subtraction. 100 minus 8 we get 92 rupees. Answer 92. Changed price 92. Next apples. Apples here observe fruits. Fruits also 8%. 8% means we get here 8 by 100 into 280. 8 by 100 into 280. Here 0 0 get cancelled. 2 4s, 2 5s. Again here do multiply. For 28 into 4 by 5. We get totally 280. So original price 257.6 means 257.6. Next oil. Oil means increased 10%. Increase means add. Here 120. So out of 10%, here 10% means 10 by 100 into amount 120. Here 0 0 get cancelled. 10 get cancelled. 12. Here increase means add. 120 plus 12. We get here oil 120. 120 rupees means 10%. Here 10% increase means 10 by 100 into 120. Here 0 0 get cancelled. 10 get cancelled. 12 rupees. Increase means add. 120 plus 12. We get 132. Here apples observe 280 rupees. Fruits means 8% reduce. 8 by 100 into 280. Here cancellation after 4 by 5 into 28. 28 fours 112 by 5. 112 by 5 means 22.4. Minus 22.4. 280 minus 22.4. We get 257.6. Oil complete. Next dal 80 rupees. Original price 80 rupees. For that dal also increased 10%. Means 10 by 100 into 80. Here 0 0 get cancelled. 10 get cancelled. 8 ones 8. Increase means add. Plus 8. We get 88 rupees. Here 132 rupees. Here understand children here. 12th question. There were 2075 members enrolled in a club during last year. This year enrolled decreased by 4%. Find the decrease in enrollment. Second one, how many members are enrolled during this year? Number of persons are enrolled in the last year equal to 2075, and present year number of persons are enrolled equal to 4% less than the previous year. So first one, decrease in enrollment equal to 4% of 2075. Here 4% means by 100, of means into 2075. Here do cancellation, 4 ones, here cancellation, 4 ones, 4 25s, again here 25 ones, 25 83s, total we get 83. Here answer 83. Decrease in enrollment. First question, find the decrease in enrollment. Answer 83. Next, second one, number of members are enrollment this year equal to, this year means 2075 minus 4% of 2075 means decrease. Do subtraction here, 2075 minus, we get here 83. 4% of 2075 means we get 83. Here 2075 minus 83, 1992. Answer 1992. Thirteenth question. A farmer abstained by a wilding 1720 bags of cotton last year. This year she expects her crop to be 20% more. Means how many bags of cotton does she expect this year? Means present year 1720 bags. Next year she expected 20% more. Answer, during the last year wilding the bags of cotton 1720 bags. Now if she expects 20% of crop to be more than means 20% of 1720 means 20 by 100. Percent means 100 into 1720. Of means into. Here do cancellation. 1 0 1 0 get cancelled. 0 0 get cancelled. 2 into 172. So 172 2's 344. So what this one? Bags. Answer, her expectation of total bags means present how many 1720 plus 20% more means we get 344 bags plus 344 equal to 2064 means increased crop. She expected 2064 bags of cotton. 14th question. Points P and Q are both in the line segment AB and on the same side of its midpoint P divides in the AB ratio 2:3 and Q divides AB in the ratio 3:4. If PQ equal to 2, then find the length of line segment AB. Answer. Given that C is the midpoint of AB. C is the midpoint of line segment AB. C is the midpoint of line segment AB. And here observe A, B. Here middle P divides in the ratio 3:4. Means here P, here Q. P divides the ratio 2:3 and Q divides the ratio 3:4. Here P divides the ratio 2:3, Q divides the ratio 3:4. Like this we can take. Now here P divides AB in the ratio equal to 2:3. Same like Q divides the ratio, divides AB in the ratio 3:4. For that, and they given in question PQ equal to 2 centimeters. Given that, now PQ means what? PQ means QB minus PB. QB minus PB means total length up to here. QB minus PB we get PQ, middle distance here. PB minus QB, like that. Here QB means what? They given ratio 4 minus 3 equal to 1 and part equal to 2 centimeters. Part equal to 2 centimeters. Here AB equal to AQ plus QB with respect to Q. With respect to Q. With respect to Q, AB equal to AQ plus QB. AQ equal to QB with respect to Q. Like here another one AB equal to with respect to P. AP plus PB with respect to P. Like this we can write. Now here both 2 plus 3 we get 5 and 3 plus 4 we get 7. 2, 3, 5, 3, 4, 7. 5, 7 LCM 35. So LCM of 5, 7 equal to 35. Total 35 parts. In that length of AB equal to 35 parts. Parts means how many here? 2 centimeters. Means 35 into 2. We get 70 centimeters. One part equal to 2 centimeters. Here one part equal to 2 centimeters. Like that 35 into 2 we get 70 centimeters. Answer.